After we get the office hours set up, the next step that we want to do is, again, in settings, we're going to either go to our inventory section if we're working with parts rental items, or we can go down here to serialized and select the rental periods option. Now, both of these are the same options. It's opening the same control, but you do have two different places that you can get to it. Now, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to say that in the previous video we talked about office hours, when are we open, and now we're talking about how do we rent things. Do we rent by the hour, by the day, by the week, by the month? And you can set these things up any way you want. Now, by default, the system is going to have an hour, and then we look at how many hours are in a day. So you can see there's 24 hours in a day, 5 days in a week. So each of these things builds on itself. So you tell it what it's made up of, and then what you want to call it. Now, this is not specifying how every single item is going to be rented. It's just specifying out of everything that we rent, these are the things that we rent by. When you get over to in some of the next videos, we'll get into how to actually set up a part and a unit, and in those videos you'll see that that's where we specify the actual rental periods that we have for each of the available items. Right now we're just basically saying these are all the different things that we use to rent items out of Lizzy.